Right, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to draw 3 different kawaii animals, a baby chick, a bunny, and a sheep, and it's up to you how you finish off your design. For the baby chicken, I'm going to make kind of a curve in and then a rainbow line. So I'm going to curve in and then rainbow line and then curve back out, and then that's the head, and now we're going to just kind of finish off the bottom here with a curved line. Okay, now let's add in the eyes. So since we're doing kawaii, we're going to do the 3 circle eye. So 1 big circle, 1 medium circle, and 1 little circle. 1 big circle, 1 medium circle, and 1 little circle. And if you want to do different kind of eyes, that's fine, but this is the traditional kawaii eye. Now for the mouth, she's going to be looking off to the right. So I'm going to make a little curved line and loop it around like this. That's for the top of her beak. And I'm going to do the same thing but going down for the bottom. So I'm going to make a little curved line and then loop back up. And then she just needs little teeny tiny feet at the bottom and a little curl at the top. So I'm just going to swoop up and swoop back down and erase where it overlaps. Now she needs some little wings, so I'm going to just use a rainbow line on the right and a rainbow line on the left. The one on the left overlaps her body, so then we're going to want to erase where it overlaps. And there's your cute little chick. Now let's do a bunny. The bunny starts with a big oval. So I'm going to make a big oval. Now she or he is looking over here, so I'm going to do one eye right about here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then the other eye we're only going to see part of it because she's looking out on this side. So I'm just going to kind of sketch that in there. So we're only going to see part of that eye, and then the nose is in between those eyes. Okay. And don't forget some ears. I'm going to make a curved line here and overlap the top of the bunny's body. So I'm going to go up and over and loop back. And you're going to want to erase where it overlaps. And then let's do it again on this side, but this one I'm going to just go straight. So I'm going to go straight up, and the top of it is going to be a little wider than the bottom. All right, let's give her a little cotton tail, bumpity bump. Some feet. You could do 2 or 4. And of course, a bunny needs some whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, the bunny is done. The last one I'm going to show you is a little sheep. All right, so the sheep, you're going to sketch out a circle for the whole body. But we're going to go back and we're going to make the circle have a little texture. So I'm going to go back and use rainbow lines all the way around. All right, now inside, towards the left side, I want you to do kind of a diagonal rainbow bumpy line. Bumpity, 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 bump. And that's where we're going to draw the face from. So we're going to do like a pear shape for the face. So I'm going to kind of curve in and back out. Ready? Curve in and back out and down. And then same thing on this side. Curve in and then back out again. And then inside there, let's draw the face. So 2 kawaii eyes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then just like a kind of like a soft letter V for the nose. Whoop, like that. And then 2 J's for the mouth. A regular J and a backwards J. All right, our sheep needs ears. So just make a U on each side of this bumpy line. Ready? A U here and a U there for her ears. And don't forget some legs. Little U's for the legs. All right, those are the 3 animals. Now it's up to you to decorate it however you want, and to trace and erase and add some color. Here we go.